Today we're going to be going over serial numbers on Windows, how to find one, why it's important. Depending on the brand, we have vinyl windows, we have wood windows, we have fiberglass windows. So different manufacturers are going to have different serial numbers in different locations. It seems to me like some, especially wood manufacturers I see sometimes, they make it really difficult to get your warranty on your window, right? Like I've seen this with Pella, I've seen this with Anderson Windows. It's almost impossible to find a warranty, like warranty information on your actual window. You have to find out, and you have to do the detective work to be able to get any help or warranty service on your windows. So we primarily do a lot of vinyl windows. We actually do a lot of fiberglass windows. We have Milgard, we have Amsko, we have an Anlin window we do. So lots of these products. With our vinyl window manufacturers, Amsko and Milgard, they're actually very, very easy to find the warranty information and serial number. So this almond colored window here is a vinyl window. It's an Amsko window. Amsko on each one of their windows, every single time, they put a warranty sticker. It's this clear sticker right here. So I open the window, and it's just inside the little window jamb here. It's a clear sticker, and it says Amsko serial number, and it's got the number right there. Sometimes they're on top. If it's a window that doesn't open like this, if it's a picture window, it's always on the inside of the house. It's going to be on top of the frame. Sometimes it's a clear sticker, sometimes it's a white sticker. So easy to find on this Amsko product, extremely easy. In fact, that's probably our best brand that makes it easiest to get warranty help from the manufacturer. Super easy to find. They do say do not remove the stickers because it's warranty. It won't void the warranty, but it is much easier to find your information, find your window, find out what's wrong with it to get some help. If the warranty sticker's there, it makes it a lot easier. So that's this particular brand. This same window, if we were to look, let's go to a Milgard window. This product right here. It's very similar on the Amsko vinyl as well, again. And Milgard actually, vinyl and fiberglass, the serial number, which is actually going to be the order number. So it's going to be typically a 7-digit number with a period and then like a 001, 002, depending on the line item number that window corresponds to. So Milgard, and this is better in some ways actually because it can't be removed like the Amsko sticker. If you look closely between the two panes of glass right here, you're going to see a number printed on the spacer. So in between your two panes of glass, there's a metal or foam spacer that goes in between. It's typed, stamped, or written on that spacer. So if you have to get really close. Sometimes you have to get your cell phone and zoom in on it to get it nice and clear. But it's right in between the two panes of glass right here. It's going to have that 7-digit number with the corresponding line item number. Really easy to find. If you have a warranty issue with Milgard, you can call us if it was our product. You can even call us if it's not. We'll help you out to get you the right person at Milgard. Milgard is 1-800-MILGARD for warranty, and it'd be extremely helpful to have that number on your window. Amsko is also easy to contact, especially if it's us. We can help you out with the warranty claim. Anyway, let us know any feedback, comment below. Thanks, guys. See you later.